So the concept of ego is incredibly interesting in our culture. The way I frame it is that we have our ego, which is like a devil on a shoulder, and then you have an angel, which is love. So throughout the course of your day and your entire life, you'll be making a decision. Ego gratification is not fulfilling in the long term, right? So that's the type of relationship you have to understand that, yes, this propels you forward to be a productive member of society. But at the end of the day, you want to choose love, not, ego gratification. And the joke is that instant gratification takes too long. And the reason is because your mind is a hedonic treadmill. So if you're sitting there feeding that hungry ghost of your ego, you'll always be unhappy. So if you want to cultivate equanimity, happiness, and authenticity, you have to choose love.